It takes a lot for me to get up and present, but when I'm in front of the audience, and especially when they're interacting, it actually just sort of flows out of me. And because I know a little about a lot when it comes to digital marketing, and I also think having younger kids asking me, what does this mean? What does that mean? I think I've really found a skill on how to explain complicated things in simple terms. And I bring that to my presentations and to my workshops, even my one-on-one training sessions. I feel like people walk away understanding complicated things, or at least the foundation of the concept that they've asked me about. And when I'm doing presentations, even though it takes quite a lot of mental endurance to get me to that stage or that workshop, once I know in myself that once I'm there, once I'm in it, it's very easy. Like, I'm not nervous on stage. I'm not nervous talking to people. It's a bit like going to the gym. You never want to go to the gym, but once you're there, you enjoy it. It's exactly like that.